Laptop Wi-Fi not showing networks. Fixed. Hello everyone, I am your technician for today. There is nothing more frustrating than having a deadline and seeing that zero Wi-Fi networks are available. It feels like you are completely cut off from the world. But do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, you will be back online. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. The first step is the simplest. We are going to restart your laptop and your router. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the cache and resets the connection. Step 2. Check your physical Wi-Fi switch or function key. Some laptops have a dedicated button. Look for a key with a small tower icon. Press the function key and that icon together to toggle Wi-Fi. Step 3. We will check the device manager. Go to Settings, then go to System. Search for Device Manager and open it. Look for the section labeled Network Adapters. Right-click on your wireless adapter. Select Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. If the device is disabled, you will see a small arrow. Right-click and select Enable Device. Step 4. Check the WLAN Auto Config service. Open the Start menu and type Services. Scroll down to the bottom. Find WLAN Auto Config. Right-click it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Start if the service is not running, then click OK. Step 5. We will perform a TCP/IP reset. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the network socket layer. Next, type netsh IP reset and press Enter. This will reinstall your IP settings. If none of these worked, try a full network reset. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Select Network Reset and click Reset Now. Your computer will restart automatically in 5 minutes. These steps fix 99% of Wi-Fi issues. Your networks should now be visible and ready to connect. Stay connected and stay productive. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next one.